Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very interesting, and the topic is the 10 best snacks to stop sugar forever. But before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. Now, let's begin our video. Cutting out sugar can be one of the most basic lifestyle changes for your overall well-being, helping with weight management, improving health, and reducing the risk of serious conditions like diabetes and heart disease. However, sugar cravings can be challenging to overcome, especially if you're used to reaching for sweet treats. To help manage this transition, we've put together a list of 10 healthy snacks that will curb your sweet tooth and keep you satisfied without the sugar spike. 1. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are an impressive choice for a sugar-free snack. They provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which keep you feeling full longer. Almonds, pecans, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds are especially great choices. Try mixing a variety of nuts with unsweetened dried coconut or cacao nibs for an extra boost in flavor. 2. Avocado with lemon and ocean salt. Rich in healthy fats and fiber, avocado is a filling, nutritious snack that reduces cravings. A simple way to enjoy it is by cutting an avocado, squeezing some lemon juice over it, and sprinkling it with ocean salt. This combination is satisfying and helps balance blood sugar levels. Greek yogurt is high in protein, and adding a sprinkle of cinnamon can assist with controlling sugar needs while figuring out glucose levels. Cinnamon adds a brand name impeccability and figuring out benefits with no additional sugar. Pick plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to stay away from stowed-away sugars and striking blends. Carrot sticks, cucumber cuts, and bell pepper strips dipped in hummus make for a crunchy, satisfying snack. The fiber from the veggies and protein from the hummus keep you feeling full while giving your body the nutrients it needs with nearly no additional sugar. Boiled eggs are a powerful solid snack that is high in protein and healthy fats, both of which can assist with reducing sugar cravings. They also provide important vitamins like B12 and D, making them a nutritious choice for anyone looking to balance their energy levels. 6. Berries with nut margarine. Berries, similar to blueberries and raspberries, are lower in sugar than most food normally thinking conveyed utilizing the beginning hazardous improvement question, showed made shaped, showed coordinated prepared experts. 7. Edamame. Edamame, or boiled soybeans, is a fantastic snack that is packed with plant-based protein and fiber. It's always low in sugar, and its high protein content helps to keep blood sugar steady, reducing the desire for sugary snacks. 8. Curds with flax seeds. Curds is a high-protein, low-sugar goodie that keeps you full for longer periods. Adding flax seeds gives fiber and omega-3 unsaturated fats, supporting your general food and controlling your sugar needs. Select full-fat curds for an extra satisfying impact. 9. Dark chocolate, 85% or more. If you're in the mood for something sweet but want it to be less processed and follow a low-sugar diet closely after eating, boring chocolate with 85% cacao or more might be a good alternative. It's popular in health food stores and has a low sugar level compared to regular milk chocolate. 10. Celery with almond margarine. Celery is a low-calorie, hydrating vegetable, and get together it with almond margarine gives you a goodie well-off in fiber, protein, and sound fats. This combo assists keep you with filling, balances glucose, and offers a genuinely sweet, nutty taste to control your longings. Last ways to deal with managing, directing, controlling, getting sorted out, sorting out, completing sugar. Remain hydrated. Now and again, sugar needs are confused with thirst. Hydrate all through the level of the day to assist with reducing necessities. Plan strong region for having close by looks at even more clear to keep away from sweet allurements. Rest charmingly. Non-attendance of rest could make at whatever point sugar needs, so ensure you're getting satisfying rest. By get together these 10 sound snacks into your eating plan, you could every single push toward switch at whatever point in the end wean yourself off sugar and stayed aware of energy, changed glucose, and managed all over succeeding. Stay with it, and in the long term, your longings for sweet treats will decrease for good. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you people like this video. Give your feedback by posting a comment and let me know on which health topic you people want the next video to watch on my YouTube channel. See you soon with another informative health topic. Till then, stay healthy.